Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Angular onto your system. So for installing Angular, you first need to download Node.js. So for downloading Node.js, you need to go to nodejs.org website. I will type here install Node.js. So this one is the website nodejs.org. So from here you need to download Node.js. So this one is for Windows. You can download it from here, Windows installer. So after installing this Node.js, I will write the steps here. To install Angular, what are the steps required? So first one is you need to install Node.js. So for installing Node.js, just go to nodejs.org website. From here you can install Node.js, and if you want to check whether Node.js is installed onto your system or not, you can check that by node ---- version. Actually it's npm ---- version. So it is showing me 6.4.1. So after installing Node.js, this is npm stands for Node Package Manager. So if you want to check the version of Node, you need to type this command npm ---- version. If Node is already installed, you can check it by npm ---- version. And after this we need to download Angular. So how to download Angular? We will go to command prompt, and the command for downloading Angular is npm install -g @angular / this is the /CLI. So this is the command to install Angular onto its system. npm install -g angular CLI. So after pressing enter, these many files will be downloaded. So it will take time. I'll write the command for the same. Second step is installing Angular. I'll write npm install then -g @angular /CLI. So this is the command to install Angular. So it has downloaded Angular. Now if you want to check the version of Angular, like if you want to check whether this Angular is installed on your system or not, you can check it by ng version. This is the command to check which version of Angular you are having or whether it's installed or not. So it will give you this Angular CLI, and this version is 9.1.7. So if you'll get this one, this means that Angular has been downloaded successfully. To check if Angular is installed or version of Angular, I'll write Angular. You need to check it by ng version. So you have seen how we can install Angular onto your system. So first of all, you need to download this Node.js from nodejs.org website. And if you want to check whether it's installed or not, you need to type this command npm version. And for installing this Angular, you need to type this npm install -g @angular/cli. And if you want to check the version, it's ng version. So this Angular has been downloaded successfully. Now in the next video, we will see how you can create your first project of Angular. Thank you.